So, before I actually posted another episode after a month long break, I just wanted to come here and say thank you for waiting. Hello and welcome back to Behind the Brief. This is Shruti. It's been a while and I wanted to start by saying thank you. 2025 was a really special year for me. From sharing my journey more openly to finally starting this podcast, the love, feedback, and support you have shown me has honestly pushed me to keep going and build this more intentionally. 2026 is the year I'm doubling down on this channel, Behind the Brief, not just in terms of the people I'm bringing, but also the perspectives I want to explore. More honest conversations, stronger point of views, and real stories from behind the work. But if you prefer audio, you can listen on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts. If reading is more your thing, I'll also share episode highlights and written versions through my newsletter on Substack. And if you enjoy thoughtful takes on product marketing, charity, and navigating modern marketing careers, you can find me on LinkedIn as well. I'm also building more across other platforms, so everything is linked in the description. And I want Behind the Brief to be a two-way conversation. So if there's a topic you would like me to cover or a question you want answered, send it my way. I'll share more stories, real life lessons, career perspectives here. So stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. So before I actually posted another episode after a month long break, I just wanted to come here and say thank you for waiting. I know if even if there's one person who's waiting for my podcast episode, that would mean a lot. So if you have, just drop a comment so that I know there are people waiting and I need to work harder. So yeah, I look forward to meeting you in the next episode where I bring one of the GTM leaders. She's a really good friend of mine and she has been killing it in the GTM world. And I have a couple of other episodes where you will find a lot of different career perspectives. Maybe a little bit of a newer format as well, some different questions that I'll be asking. But yes, 2026 is gonna be more exciting, bigger, and well planned, to be really honest, and I'm really excited about it. So just share it with your PMM friends, your marketing friends, whoever is interested. I'll also be talking a lot around cybersecurity, go to market, GTM engineering, if that's what's on your cards or if you want to explore that. But drop a comment or just DM me about some topics that you really want me to cover. And I'm working really hard to bring the best of the best people on my podcast so that we all enjoy. And yeah, see you in the next one.